Hello and welcome and a very good afternoon. You're watching Live Wire with me, Siddharth Talia. Let's quickly take you through the top developments that we're currently witnessing coming from the state of Tamil Nadu, where the stage is clearly set now for a TVK Sarkar led by Vijay as its chief minister. The second big news is that the Communist Party of India has provided its official letter of support to Vijay. The VCK has also handed over the letter of support to Vijay. So that's 4 MLAs who've pledged support to Vijay. 2 cabinet berths have been promised for the left parties, which include the CPI and the CPM, and 1 cabinet berth for the VCK as well. TVK supporters and Vijay's fans have been celebrating outside Vijay's residence in Chennai following the news that his government is now a foregone conclusion. Vijay has also now sought time to meet the governor, Mr. Rajendra Arlekar, in Tamil Nadu at the Lok Bhavan at 6 p.m. VCK and left parties will also be holding a press conference to once again reaffirm their support to Vijay. Those letters of support have already been provided. So it's a 6-seat boost for Talpati Vijay. Remember, he already has secured the support of 5 MLAs from the Congress party. Let me go across immediately to Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan, who's been reporting on this from Chennai. Madhav, TVK Sarkar, pretty much a foregone conclusion from here.
Well, yes, and a TVK coalition Sarkar, and how long and how far that coalition will go, we can't guarantee at this point of time, because remember, these are 3 parties which are also considered to be fairly close to MK Stalin. The DMK in the past have worked for long years with them. So how far this coalition will go, of course, is a big question. But leaving all that apart, the fact is that the last 72 hours of suspense now appears to be drawing to a close, with these 3 parties assuring their support to Vijay. And this is, of course, a huge turning point, because now Vijay is clearly in a position to go to the governor, to stake claim, to give those letters of majority and support. Let me quickly go close to my colleagues who are joining us at the moment. I'm, of course, at the Lok Bhavan, where Vijay is expected later this evening. But before he stops at the Lok Bhavan, he's also expected to meet with various political parties who have just announced their support, the CPI, the CPM and the VCK. Let's go across to Dharni. Dharni, Vijay is going to be coming in and meeting with these political parties. He's someone who, of course, very famously does not need too many people except for his own party's top leadership. But in this case, he's going to make a departure from that and visit with the VCK, the CPM, the CPI. We understand. When is he expected to arrive there? Dharni.
Is that going to be leading to well, he is expected anytime now. But before Vijay, we are expecting TVK's Joint General Secretary CTR Nirmal Kumar. CTR Nirmal Kumar will come here to collect the letter of support from the CPM State Secretary Shanmugam. So CPM State Secretary Shanmugam is right now inside the party headquarters at the moment, and in a short while from now, we can expect CTR Nirmal Kumar, the Joint General Secretary of TVK, to be here to collect the letters of support. And following that, we can expect Vijay to have a courtesy meet with these leaders, before heading to Raj Bhavan to stake claim to form the government. Now, since morning, we've been telling that the VCK and the left parties, they are likely to extend their support to TVK Chief Vijay, and now it has become official. One party after the other, they are giving their letters of support, to the TVK, and with this, TVK will be able to hit the magic number, that is 118. And following this, Vijay has sought appointment from the Honorable Governor Rajendra Arlekar, but so far there has been no confirmation about an appointment from the Governor's office. So as soon as the Governor gives time, Vijay will very soon go meet the Governor, and with these additional letters of support, Vijay will once again be staking claim to form the government, is what we can understand.
Vijay has multiple stops this evening. He will be going to those various political party offices. He will be coming here to the Lok Bhavan as well later to meet with the Governor. The timing of that appointment is not yet confirmed, but Pratibha is joining us from outside Vijay's residence. He's the man of the moment, Pratibha. You've been trailing him all day today and for the last few days. Vijay is inside his residence. When is he expected to emerge, and what really are fans over there? Because Vijay, wherever he is, his TVK party supporters and fans always find a way to be there. What are they saying at this moment now that the support has been guaranteed of these 6 additional MLAs? Pratibha.
Yes, well, Madhav, a lot has changed in just the last few hours. I'll just show you around multiple barricadings that have been put in place here because the supporters were gathering in huge numbers, not just outside his residence. Look at that. As the convoys are going, you can see multiple fans who are here waving and... all right, there's a lot of security here, Madhav, so I can show you on the other side as well. Whistle Poda is the word from Chennai. As we can see, multiple supporters who are here waiting to look at Vijay, chanting Vijay's name. They were waiting for this moment to Vijay to become the Chief Minister. Talapati chants.
Talapati, Talapati, Talapati.
Okay, here are the chants. Talapati chants right outside Vijay's residence. They are waiting for Vijay. Just a few moments ago, Madhav, the update is that CTR Nirmal Kumar just entered the residence. He has the letters of support where Shamit was reporting from the CPI office. He has just arrived at Vijay's residence with the letters of support. Now waiting for that confirmation to coming in from the Lok Bhavan to come in. After that confirmation of the appointment, Vijay with the letters, with his close aides, Adhav Arjuna and CTR Nirmal Kumar would be going to meet the governor. And this meeting is going to be very different from the two meetings that he had previously, where again he wanted to stake claim to form the government, but the governor was not convinced. This time, Vijay will have with him the letters of support from the CPI, the CPM and the VCK, which would take him beyond the majority mark of 118. And now the news has reached the spot already, which is why you're seeing the supporters. And I also want to point out, they're all wearing the white shirt and khaki pants that Vijay has been wearing as well. So that has become a mark for many of the Vijay fans. You can see here the chants are non-stop. A lot of police deployment as well because we are expecting Vijay to be leaving from his residence shortly. The initial plan was to go to the left parties, but we are told in the latest update, because the letters have just reached him and because he will need to go to the Lok Bhavan as well, there is a possibility that those meetings will take place later and Vijay will go straight to the Lok Bhavan. But currently inside, there is, I'm sure, a lot of celebration taking place.
All right, that's a big development coming in. In fact, Pratibha, the TVK General Secretary is at Vijay's house with those letters of support. So all clear in terms of those letters of support. The TVK General Secretary has reached Vijay's residence. Have you been able to speak to anyone in the TVK who's been able to confirm that to you? Pratibha.
Well, we were right here and CTR Nirmal Kumar did enter from here. Shamit has got us that information already that the CPI and the CPM and the VCK have all extended their support. Nirmal Kumar, of course, didn't speak to anybody, as has been the case with the TVK. Over the last few days, we've not heard from any of the TVK leaders, from the top leaders, including Nirmal Kumar or Adhav Arjuna or even the spokespersons. They have not been speaking to the media, perhaps, taking it cautiously until they had that support. The question is whether now we will hear an address, even in fact for the supporters of the TVK who have voted for Vijay, giving him 100 seats. They have not heard from Vijay yet. He has not released any video message. He has not met any of the TVK supporters at the headquarters, perhaps waiting for that moment when he does actually become the Chief Minister and then address the people of Tamil Nadu. Just a little while ago, we saw Nirmal Kumar entering the residence. We told he already has the letters of support.
Chants of Talapati and of course the whistle that their fans appear to be blowing. Pratibha, we're going to come back to you at Vijay's residence, of course, and track all movements of Vijay. But my colleagues Soumit and Dharani are also standing by. Dharani, it's a big moment, of course, for Vijay because not only has he been successful in the elections, being able to become the single largest party in Tamil Nadu, but also he's managed to ward off all the hurdles that he has faced over the last 48 hours or so, where, of course, he was asked to drum up the numbers, but he's been able to do that, is what it appears, given those letters of support are now with the TVK.
Well, definitely the last 48 hours has been the most crucial for TVK Chief Vijay. And of course, now he has got the letters of support from the left parties and VCK. And as we were reporting, very soon Vijay will meet the Governor, Honorable Governor Rajendra Arlikar, and he'll be staking claim to form the government. And of course, as you rightly said, Vijay has in fact faced each and every hurdle that came his way with strength. Initially, Vijay's party was able to secure only 108 seats, and out of these 108 seats, 2 seats were won by Mr. Vijay himself, and he got a vote share of 34.9%. Despite being the single largest party in Tamil Nadu with the highest vote percentage, and despite meeting the governor twice, to stake claim to form the government, Vijay was not able to undertake an oath-taking ceremony until this moment, because both the times Vijay met the governor very clearly told Vijay that only if he comes with the majority, he'll be able to do the swearing-in ceremony, he'll be able to form the government. So now Vijay has successfully cracked that formula too. With the support of VCK and the left parties, Vijay has successfully crossed the majority margin that's 117. Now he has 118 letters of support, and with this he can go to the governor, he can stake claim to form the government, and he can comfortably, very easily, without any hurdle, he can go ahead and form the government. That is the situation that we're looking at the moment. And in fact, the TVK MLAs, all of them, they've been kept in Chennai for the past 4 days. In fact, there has been consecutive meetings at the TVK headquarters. The TVK has been trying to keep its MLAs active and energized so that they don't lose their hope and they don't feel underconfident. But all these efforts and all these strategies by TVK has it has finally come into a success.
Okay, I'm going to come back to you, Dhadir. In fact, there's more updates coming in. And in fact, what is the formula? How are these allies going to be accommodated in this government? Now we have the clear formula of support for those 2 MLAs each who are in fact going to be supporting this government. Each of these 3 parties will get 1 cabinet berth. That's in fact what's going to be happening. And Pratibha is back with us from Vijay's residence. Pratibha, the point is that for the crucial support that these 3 political parties have extended to Vijay, very clearly now Vijay is going to be rewarding them with those cabinet berths that are being given. And clearly, of course, that is the deal, the arrangement that has been arrived at. Pratibha.
Yes, absolutely, because this was the big political test for Vijay, as he learned very quickly just getting the numbers or being the single largest party was not enough. He would have to cobble up support from the other parties as well. And it's not an easy negotiation, but that's where the political depth of Sengotian would have come in as well, including Basi Anand as well. They have some electoral experience as well. We saw multiple meetings taking place yesterday and today as well. And now finally a decision has been taken with the 3 parties extending their support. In that letter of support, the parties have very clearly said that it is an unconditional support. It's very different from how the Congress party's support has been worded for Vijay. The Congress party in their letter of support had spoken about, yes, being the secular force in the state while keeping the communal forces away. Apart from that, the Congress party had, of course, said that they will be a part of power sharing. But the left parties in their letter of support have not actually said that. They say that it's an unconditional support. But like you said, they have come to help Vijay in his time of need at a time when there were so many speculations on whether other parties would come in to form the government as well. So they will be rewarded, it looks like. And Shomit getting us that information that they have been promised cabinet berths. So in the government formation, while Vijay will be the chief minister, the smaller parties will also have a big role to play. They will also be given cabinet berths. Discussions, of course, will still go on which are the cabinet berths that they will be given. Will they be getting the lion's share or not? But none of this has very clearly deterred the supporters. It's been quite a long wait for the supporters. Let me just show you around again. The supporters who have been waiting with their chance, they're waiting here to look at Vijay as he just steps out from his residence to go to the Lok Bhavan. As of now, we know that he has sought time from the governor. When will that meeting take place? We don't know yet. But with the badges of Vijay, as we saw during the campaign, there are the supporters who are waiting outside his residence, and not just right here, across on the road on the other side as well, we can see supporters waiting, after which barricades have been put in place as well. And anywhere that Vijay goes, we've seen usually the supporters gather in huge numbers, which is why the police deployment in the region has also been increased. A lot of police presence in the area, which is why perhaps there has been a change in plan as well, and Vijay will be going to the Lok Bhavan. Now it all goes down to where or when the meeting of the Lok Bhavan will be, Madhav.
Stand here, sir. Please, ma'am, stand here. No,
Absolutely. In fact, that crucial meeting at the Lok Bhavan is what is expected. He's expected to come here first. Earlier, we were told he's expected to go to the left parties and thank them of sorts, by going there and physically, thanking them. But now that's not happening. Now the focus will be on the Lok Bhavan and what time really that meeting will be. We were earlier told 4 o'clock. Now it's not 4 o'clock. It's way past 4:30. It's in fact 4:45. More likely around 6 is what we're told. But an official confirmation from the Lok Bhavan still awaited as to when that meeting is to happen. But all decks now pretty much being cleared from the point of view of the letters of support. Once he submits those letters, really, what will the strategy then be? What will the response then be as far as the governor's house is concerned? That remains the most important question. That remains a big question at this point of time as to what we are likely to see over the next few hours once Vijay's meeting takes place. That's where really the entire moment is, or everyone will be waiting for that formal announcement about whether Vijay will finally be sworn in. I think that's the most important thing. All right, a reaction coming in from General Secretary of the CPI, or the Communist Party of India. Let's listen it.
Results are out before the people. The Tamilnaga Vetri Kazhagam, TVK, has emerged as single largest party. TVK has approached Tamil Nadu. It also approached CPIM in Tamil Nadu, approached VCK in Tamil Nadu. We have responded to that letter positively. Our Tamil Nadu unit of our party has taken a position in consultation with the national leadership of our party. We have agreed to extend support to TVK to form the government. Not only that, we have asked the governor to invite the leader of the single largest party, TVK, to form the government. Governor should not create any hurdle. Governor is governor. Governor must go by the established practices and conventions in our multi-party political parliamentary democracy. And governor should invite the single largest party and allow that party to form the government. This we have made it very clear. In the interests of Tamil Nadu, to have a stable secular government, our party has decided to extend support to Mr. Vijay, the leader of TVK. That is our position. Thank you.
Comrade, you aim to be part of the government?